Affordable dental implants, Turkey's competitive advantage. With regards to the dental implant, Turkey has become a sought-after destination for patients looking for top-quality, affordable dental services. Due to the growing dentistry tourism business, Turkey has positioned itself as an ideal choice when it comes to restoring their smiles with no cost. In this clip, we'll explore the reason why Turkey holds a distinct advantage with regards to cost-effective dental implants. 1. Quality of care. One of the major factors that make Turkey is one of the top destinations in the field of dental implant is the excellent level of service that is provided by their expert and highly trained dental experts. Turkish dentists are well known for their knowledge and expertise, as well as the application advanced technology for the treatment of dental implants. You can trust that they will get top quality treatments and treatment when they receive implants for their teeth in Turkey. 2. Competitive pricing. A further factor that separates Turkey aside is its comparatively low price on dental implant. When compared with Western countries, the price to get dental implants in Turkey is much cheaper and makes it an appealing choice for patients who want to lower their costs but not having to sacrifice high quality. Implants are cost-effective in Turkey, permits patients to go through the procedure without having fret about costly bills. 3. State-of-the-art facilities. Turkey hosts state-of-the-art dental centers that are stocked with modern technology as well as equipment to perform dental implant procedures. Patients can count on a pleasant and modern environment when they get dental implants in Turkey, which will ensure a comfortable experience through the entire process. The modern facilities available located in Turkey aid in the overall efficacy and efficiency of the dental implant procedure. 4. Tourism opportunities. Apart from the affordable cost of dental care, Turkey offers a unique possibility for patients to integrate their treatment in the most memorable trip of their lives. Through its fascinating background, beautiful landscapes and vibrant culture, Turkey is now a well-known travel destination for tourists looking for as well as leisure things to do. The patients can take in the beautiful scenery of Turkey and get dental implants that will create unforgettable memories on the way. 5. Easy accessibility. Its central location at the center between Europe and Asia is easy access for patients from different areas of the world. Thanks to well-established transport infrastructure and international airports, travel to Turkey for dental implants can be simple and easy. Patients can get to their preferred dentist in Turkey in comfort and ease with a comfortable and smooth experience from beginning to end. To conclude, Turkey's advantage when it comes to affordable dental implants can be explained by its superior level of service, reasonable cost, top-of-the-line facilities, tourist opportunities, as well as its easy access. Patients can rest assured that they'll receive high-quality dental treatment for lower costs in comparison to Western countries while enjoying the stunning beauty and the culture of Turkey. If you're considering getting the possibility of dental implants, Turkey might be the best option for your dental treatment demands.